Let me speak something regarding the SOPs as I mentioned before as well. See, when you make SOP, you will feel easy for the operation because everyone knows what to do, how to do, and what will be the benefit. Now, for example, if I take SOP for order taker or cashier who's going to punch in order in the system. So if you already have the SOP, it's easy for you, especially for the mistakes. There is a lot of order taker or cashier. Mistake can happen from anyone. Now you can make the SOP like first mistake, second mistake, and third mistake. Before those mistakes, if you are already giving them proper training, they knows their work properly, so there will be very less chances of mistakes. Here is some point I'm going to mention. If you are punching with the tab or directly from the touch screen, sometime happens you are going to punch one atom and it can be punched 2 or 3 atom, and your order taker or cashier don't observe or they don't see how many order they have punched for the kitchen. So that QT goes to the kitchen and they prepare order, and order come in the restaurant. So at that time definitely chef is going to charge. He is not going to listen anything for you guys. So here, if you already have the SOP for each and every person, have proper training for each and every person, so everyone knows what will happen if this kind of situation come up. So very easy to make SOP, and in SOP you need to mention what will be the result if you're doing that kind of mistake. So your colleagues, your staff, order taker and cashier, they should know what will they have to pay for it. So if there is SOP, it's easy for everyone. They knows that this is the SOP they have to follow. If they do the mistake, then again they knows what will be the chances of consequences. They knows. So some of the restaurant they might don't have SOPs. So staff, when they come to know they are going to pay for it, so they will not feel good. So better or good is this, that you have to make SOP and follow that SOPs. Not only one person, each and every person knows the SOP, and then they have to follow the SOP. SOP is good for your daily operation for order taking. Now the different restaurant have different SOPs regarding the order taking and punch in the order. So when they punch in the order, they will be more careful if they know already SOP. As I mentioned, training is very important. If your staff have proper training, they know how to take order, they know how to punch order, it will be easy for both the parties, the receiver or the making parties. Definitely, if some order goes wrong punch, chef is going to make, and this goes definitely to charge you guys. And be careful when you punch order, you need to double check. When you are going to punch in, after punching you need to double check. Whatever restaurant is busy, how much restaurant is busy, doesn't matter. You need to do your work properly. There is no excuse saying restaurant was busy, I was busy. There is no excuse in the restaurant or any hospitality. Mention word like I was busy, there was a lot of guests, or I was doing this, that. There is no excuses. One more thing I need to mention over here, always keep in your mind that no excuses work out in the restaurant. Always give alternate. If your senior is telling you to do something, don't come back say is not available or to give the excuses. There is no excuses accepted. Please mention always or give always the alternate. Yeah, hope you understand for this video. And again, I'm going to mention for order taker and the cashier, when you punch out order, make sure double check and then go through with this. Yeah, thank you very much.